MiniMax just released M2.7 with a license they claim sets you free, but the fine print builds a cage around your code. They invoke the prestige of MIT to signal total freedom, yet the text bans the very commercial use that drives innovation forward. You are looking at a masterclass in legal deception where open means look, but do not touch. This isn't a gift to the community. It is a trap disguised as generosity.
However, the tech press rushed to celebrate this release as a win for democratization. Reports highlight the massive parameter count and the potential for local deployment, painting MiniMax as a benevolent giant challenging closed-source monopolies. You hear MIT style and assume you can build products, modify weights, and sell services without restriction. The narrative suggests a shift toward true openness, where powerful AI becomes a public utility rather than a proprietary asset. Everyone loves a hero.
But the license text itself shatters this optimistic illusion. The document explicitly forbids commercial utilization, a restriction that fundamentally violates the definition of open source. You cannot integrate this model into your startup, your app, or your paid service without crossing a legal red line. The MIT-style label acts as a mask, borrowing the reputation of a permissive license to hide terms that function closer to proprietary ware. The cage door is...
Yet the deception runs deeper than simple semantics. The open source initiative defines free software by 4 essential freedoms, and the freedom to sell is non-negotiable. MiniMax strips this right while keeping the open branding to harvest community goodwill. You face a scenario where researchers can tinker, but entrepreneurs face litigation. This creates a predatory dynamic. The public debugs the model, improves the weights, and generates hype while MiniMax retains the exclusive right to monetize that labor. It is a brilliant extraction strategy.
Nevertheless, the real issue is not just the restriction, but the audacity of the branding. By invoking MIT, they weaponize your trust against you. You assume the text matches the reputation, but the license functions as a non-compete clause disguised as intellectual property law. This reframes the release not as a contribution to science, but as a calculated marketing ploy to dominate a market they refuse to let you enter. The license is a moat.
Except this strategy exposes a fatal flaw in the current AI ecosystem. If you cannot use the software commercially, it is not software freedom, it is a demo. MiniMax wants the prestige of the open source community without paying the price of liberty. You are being sold a contradiction, a model built to generate value that you are legally barred from capturing. This source-available shell game dilutes the meaning of open source, eroding the legal and ethical standards that allow collaboration to function. It poisons the well.
Still, you must ask what happens when this deceptive licensing becomes the industry standard. Startups will waste months integrating models they can never legally monetize, while corporate legal teams will tighten their grip on permissible uses. You risk building your business on a foundation of legal quicksand, where a single terms of service update can invalidate your entire revenue model. The lesson is clear: read the license or pay the price.
Ultimately, MiniMax has given the world a powerful engine with the keys missing. You can admire the engineering, but you cannot drive the car off the lot. This is the new reality of AI development, a landscape of beautiful, seductive traps designed to harvest your attention while denying your autonomy. A license that forbids profit does not free you. It merely rents your time for free.